Blink 4 in the beauty. Man, every time this nigga put out a video, I'm always excited. Why? Just because it's good. He's just good. Like, this is just pure talent, man. This nigga is good. Like, I just want to get it. Just so yeah, four. Well, so yeah, we're gonna get straight into this new song of his. Uh, what's the name? She got a Joshua Dog official music video, Blink 4. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Gang shit.
I'm on the BJ.
Chirima free spirit fara kusvikira Jesu adzoka. Achistep iye nokecha mayati my feelings takacherera mugomba. Namba rekanaka toridzosa pulo.
I gotta pull it back. Where did I pull
I'm on the BJ.
Chirima free spirit fara kusvikira Jesu adzoka. Achistep iye nokecha mayati my feelings takacherera mugomba. Namba rekanaka toridzosa pulo rovha radzoka. Kana ndikadhakwa mutonidzosa emunidzosa boys andeikumba tobva ariza code ndani amiza code ndani akuda doro ndani akuti phone ndani akunditsoma ndani ko ari padhoyo ndani pressure achara nepressure maya achise pressure pasingadiwe pane pamwe padanharo kuita pamwe pasingadiwe daisiti chinyatsogona bhora ingadai isingadyiwe samove zvechiwai pane vakatomirira kuti wrong move obva watanga kusasa wachipeda zvavo bad news handitaure nevanhu kana ndakatsamwa ndiri mubad mood ko ndongonozotaura sirizvo ya chirima free spirit fara kusvikira Jesu adzoka. Achistep iye nokecha mayati my feelings takacherera mugomba. Namba rekanaka toridzosa pulo rovha radzoka. Kana ndikadhakwa mutonidzosa emunidzosa boys andeikumba tobva tadzoka. Even tiri vanhu vari bo hadzizorambi tiri paeasy tichiloderwa badness cause toerenga bhaibheri panenge paida chill toera chill pakuda soft toera soft pakuda bad tochingolodawo badness takabikawo mastreets tikadalotwa neswitch energy tene energy unanoti wakaipa kana uripo kana usipo taura shit enemy ndo my enemy.
Blink 4 is one of the ones where, like, man, I'm not gonna lie, Zimbabwe is blessed right now, bro. Like, there's some good talents coming out right now. Some good talent, like real talent. You know what I mean? That's not funny, is that? Like, for real.
Even tiri vanhu vari bo hadzizorambi tiri paeasy tichiloderwa badness cause toerenga bhaibheri panenge paida chill toera chill pakuda soft toera soft pakuda bad tochingolodawo badness takabikawo mastreets tikadalotwa neswitch energy tene energy unanoti wakaipa kana uripo kana usipo taura shit enemy ndo my enemy. Chirima free spirit fara kusvikira Jesu adzoka. Achistep iye nokecha mayati my feelings takacherera mugomba. Namba rekanaka toridzosa
I like that when other artists are showing love to other artists, man. Like, for real, especially my upcoming artists. I mean, all munhu wanesha was showing you love and just listen to him, you know what I mean? Just chill, listen to what he got to tell you, because they got experience. They've been in the game for some time now, so they'll give you something that you don't know, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I like that.
takacherera mugomba. Namba rekanaka toridzosa pulo rovha radzoka. Kana ndikadhakwa mutonidzosa emunidzosa boys andeikumba tobva tadzoka. Gara wafonera misa zefit mudze ngaasatibve chimukiti.
Oh, yo.
I like it.
I approve. Yeah, that was dope. Not gonna lie, that was dope. So yeah, man, Blink 4. Check out Joshua Dzoka official music video. Man, I don't know if I'm being biased or what, but I'm giving Blink 4 10 out of 10. I don't know why. I just feel like giving it a 10 out of 10. Man, because yeah. You never disappoint me. You know what I mean? It's like him and Shakur, Abaga, K-Flow, they never disappoint me like that, man. Like, these guys are always consistent putting out music, like, from the heads. Like, they just have a lot of bangers, bro. Like, for real, for real. So, yeah, 10 out of 10, bro. This is dopest music video. I like the video. I also like the music, man. Like, yeah, man. I'm gonna try to pull this song in my playlist because obviously for the jam every day. So, yeah. Yeah, man. So, without wasting much time, you know how it is. I gotta go. I gotta do my thing. You know what I mean? So, yeah. It's your boy Sooks, aka the Zim Dog. Gang shit.
Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. I've been grinding that side all day with my niggas. And I ain't going in, that's on with my nigga. My nigga. My nigga.